most honorable principal sir, learned colleagues present over here, and most loving children, a very warm morning to all of you. Without any doubt, we are gathered here in the school premises for a very noble cause, that is spread worldwide. It is such an alarming situation that we are facing globally, and for the awareness, we are here to share our view celebrating World Environment Day. The theme of this time, this World Environment Day, this time, being organized by Republic of Azerbaijan in Baku, and theme is inspired by nature, shape climate, shape future. As the theme says us very much, nothing is able to explain. Dear friends, being a science teacher, from the very grassroots level, I am here to explain you all that World Environment Day, a World Environment, ENVIRONMENT, refers living and non-living combinedly, forms environment. In general view, we are here that non-living having no any much more importance in our environment. It is misconception, quite misconception. As for example, we can move that in regards of examples of non-living, we can quote air, water, temperature, soil. Naming all these, we just are able to explain how much important is air, how much important is water, what is the role of temperature, what is the role of soil. All we are learned here. We can assess that by the grace of Almighty, by the grace of nature, these all things are free available. Air is available freely wherever we move, water is available freely wherever we move, soil, temperature. For the sustainable life on the earth, three things are required, that is air, water, and a definite distance from the sun to earth, that is temperature. All are available here in the nature. But misfortunately, we all are doing such a harmful activities to earn money for the development. We are doing such activity on this unique earth that day by day the quality of these three things, which is quite important, that is air, water and temperature, the quality of these three is deteriorating at the further extent. However, Earth is the single planet over where life exists. It's our prime motto, it should be our prime motto, responsibility, that to be continue the generation and for their sustainable life, air and water are very important for every living being, not for human being. For every living being, it is important. And the quality, air quality, water quality is deteriorating, especially by the activities done by we all. Earth is However, it is moving, it cannot negotiate, it cannot walk and come to all of us for saying anything, but it is a spreading signal. It is giving signal to such a important human being which has a very developed brain, and earth is giving signal that the activities done by the living being here on the earth has deteriorated the life of all living creatures. Isn't my motto to improve the quality? Every 5th of the June we gather. However, not we people only. Globally, in colleges, society, nationwide, worldwide activity today is going on. Already I have shared that Azerbaijan, Republic of Azerbaijan is the host country to celebrate World Environment Day today. More than 150 countries are there having gathered to celebrate the occasion and make the people aware how to take the actions to improve the quality of air and water, especially. We are carelessly using our natural resources, carelessly. Fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, which is very much limited, very much limited. Mathematics says and economics says that if the use of fossil fuels are continued in such a way that near about 50 to 60, 70 years, these all will be out of reach. These all are non-renewable sources, forming of which millions of years takes place. Millions of years. Just imagine, my dear, all we are wise, that if power is not available for certain hours, 1.5 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, how we feel? How we feel? Feeling all these, it's our duty to take a small steps, which plays a greater role to achieve the motto. What should be done on grassroots level? Children also, by using the natural resources judiciously and applying our common sense, we can take initiatives to improve the situation. As for example, we can say that while not in use, we must switch off our fans. We must close the tap of water. We must move on foot in place of taking bikes, four-wheelers for our general day-to-day activities. These all we can do without any doubt, with the hard determination. Today, not only making it formality by saying something, one activity must be taken by we people in our life and implement it throughout the life. Then and only then there will be something from our part, and it will be happier from the inner part of the heart that we have done something for this unique planet. It should be. Already alarmed situation has been alarming situation. We are facing day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life. Somewhere it is too much rain, flood situations are there, droughts are there, climate affecting our crop. So life is full of burning situation. And being a science teacher, being a student, new generation, it's our prime motto to save the earth by taking the small steps which is possible by we people. There are so many speakers in front of all of us, so I would like to conclude myself. This is such a burning topic over which we can express a lot. Endless point can be discussed. But for summarize at the end, I would like to conclude myself, and I would like to call again Ma'am Sadhna for the further proceedings. Thank you.